Good morning, children. Today's date is 14th December and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our phonics class we'll be learning the sound for letter Q. Yes, this is the only sound remaining, the last sound in our alphabets. Yes, so we know now all the sounds from letter A to Z. So today we do the last one for letter Q. You can see here, this is the capital Q, the big Q, and this is the lowercase letter q in the printed format. Yes, so the name of the letter is Q, and coming to the important part, the sound for this letter. Yes, the sound for this letter is Qu. I repeat, Qu, as in queen, quack. Lowercase letter Q, yes, the way we write it. So we're going to learn how to write this letter next week. Today just let's focus on the sound. So the sound for letter Q is Qu. Have a look at few pictures that begin with the sound Qu. Okay, now children, you will notice that the letter Q is always followed by the letter U. Yes, that's the English rule. Yes, you will see all the words that begin with the letter Q, it is always followed by letter U. Yes, the next letter will be U. So Q is always followed by U. The next letter is always U. And the sound is Qu. Okay, let's read this. Queen, queen. Quiet, Qu, quiet. Qu, quilt. Yes, you see, Q is followed by U, and then the other letters follow. Yes, but after Q there will always be U, the letter U, and the sound is Qu. Now a quilt is a blanket. Yes, you must be using this quilt. It's winter time now. Yes, it becomes really cold at night, cold and chilly at night, so you need a quilt. Yes, to warm yourself up. Now this is quarter. Now what's a quarter? Yes, so this is a full circle, and this is the half, and again half का half करोगे तो उसको कहते हैं quarter. Yes, half, often half is called a quarter. So you have this full circle, cut it into half. Now the remaining half, again cut it into half. That's called a quarter. Yes, quarter. Then we have question mark. Yes, these are different marks. You have a full stop, statement is over. We have a question mark when you're asking a question. So this is a question mark. Question. Then we have quill. Yes, now what's a quill? Now this is a writing tool. We use it for writing. It was previously used for writing. Yes, which is made of a feather from a large bird. Yes, so this was used as a writing tool. People previously did not have pens and pencils. So they used this quill. Yes, and then they would dip it in ink and then they would write. So this was used as a writing tool. Yes, it's a feather of a large bird, a big bird. Then we have quail. Now a quail is a very small, short-tailed bird. It's a very tiny bird. It's called a quail. Now let's again revise the pictures. Queen, quiet, quilt, quarter, question mark, quilt, quill, and quail. Yes, now you saw all these pictures here began with the sound Qu. Yes, and something new that you noticed is the letter Q is always followed by the letter U. Yes, and we read the sound as Qu. Here's the homework sheet for today. So I would like you to take a printout of the sheet, or you can copy the sheet in your literacy notebook. And if you're taking a printout, after your sheet is completed, please attach it to your literacy notebook so you don't lose it. Okay, so now coming to the sheet, you have to color the pictures that begin with the letter Q. Yes, that begin with the sound Q. That begin with the letter Q. So look at the picture, try recognizing it, name it, and if you think the name begins with the letter Q, the sound Q, you color it. And if it doesn't, you just leave it like that. Okay, now the first one. You can see a big fan here. Yes, and a small house. Now this is called a windmill. Windmill. Okay, now the word windmill. Does it begin with the sound Q? No, it begins with the sound W. Windmill. Yes, so we leave the picture. We don't color it. The next is a picture of a nest. Yes, a bird has laid some eggs in the nest. Nest. The beginning sound here is N and not Q. So we leave the picture here. Next, what is she showing? She's showing you something. She's signaling something. She's saying that everyone has to be quiet. Quiet. Yes, so the beginning sound is Q. So you can color this picture. Now this is a colorful quilt. Yes, we're talking about blanket. It's getting chilly now. Yes, so you use a quilt. Quilt. So you can color this picture. Let's cover the next one. Here is a beautiful queen. Queen. Yes, the beginning sound again is Q. So you can color it. Now you remember the name of this mark? What is it called? Question mark. Yes, this is a sign of a question mark. Now the word question. Yes, the beginning sound is Q. So you can color this picture of the question mark. Now this is called a quill. Yes, this was a writing tool that was used previously when we did not have pens and pencils. You see, there's this ink bottle, so you dip it in ink and you start writing. Yes, so quill. The word quill again begins with the sound Q. Yes, you can color it. Our next one is a teapot. Yes, this is used to serve tea. Teapot. Yes, so the beginning sound of the word teapot is T. Teapot. Yes, and not Q, so you can leave this picture like that. So this way you can complete the sheet and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.